Hi friends, welcome to number one biology channel. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get latest updates. In this video, I will give you body fluids and circulation, most important bits for competitive and entrance exams. Question number 1. The smallest and most abundant serum proteins are. The options are A. Globulins, B. Albumins, C. Immunoglobulins, D. Clotting factors. The answer is B. Albumins. Question number 2. Thrombocytes are cell fragments produced from. The options are A. Myeloblast, B. Macrophages, C. Dendritic cells, D. Megakaryocytes. The answer is D. Megakaryocytes. Question number 3. Which one of the following organs can be called a sort of blood bank for human body? The options are A. Spleen, B. Lungs, C. Liver, D. Heart. The answer is A. Spleen. Question number 4. Which of the following cells does not exhibit phagocytic activity? The options are A. Neutrophil, B. Monocytes, C. Basophil, D. Macrophages. The answer is C. Basophil. Question number 5. Which one of the following blood cells is involved in antibody production? The options are A. T lymphocytes, B. B lymphocytes, C. RBC, D. Neutrophils. The answer is B. B lymphocytes. Question number 6. A granulocytes responsible for immune response of the body are. The options are A. Neutrophils, B. Basophils, C. Eosinophils, D. Lymphocytes. The answer is D. Lymphocytes. Question number 7. The study of blood is called. The options are A. Hematology, B. Hematocrit, C. Hemocytology, D. Plasmatology. The answer is A. Hematology. Question number 8. Blood plasma consists of 8 to 10% of solutes in which proteins contribute. The options are A. 8 to 10%, B. 6 to 8%, C. 2 to 3%, D. 4 to 5%. The answer is B. 6 to 8%. Question number 9. A, B and O blood groups were discovered by. The options are A. Weiner, B. Landsteiner, C. Levine, D. Bernstein. The answer is B. Landsteiner. Question number 10. An O negative group child cannot have Parents of blood groups. The options are A. B and B, B. A and B, C. O and O, D. AB and O. The answer is D. AB and O. Question number 11. In blood clotting, fibrins are formed from inactive fibrinogen by the enzyme. The options are A. Thrombokinase, B. Thrombin, C. Creatine kinase, D. Heparin. The answer is B. Thrombin. Question number 12. Which of the following is antagonist to vitamin K in the synthesis of clotting factors? The options are A. Hemolysin, B. Heparin, C. Warfarin, D. Antithrombin. The answer is C. Warfarin. Question number 13. Which of the following is useful to prevent the action of thrombin? The options are A. Prothrombin, B. Thrombinase, C. Thromboplastin, D. Heparin. The answer is D. Heparin. Question number 14. Which one of the following types of cells lack nucleus in humans? The options are A. Erythrocytes, B. Eosinophils, C. Neutrophils, D. RBC. The answer is D. RBC. Question number 15. If a clump is formed with anti-A and anti-B antisera, the blood group is. The options are A. AB, B. ARB, C. O, D. A, comma B and AB. The answer is A. AB. Question number 16. Natural antibodies are absent for the antigen. The options are A. B, B. A, C. D, D. All the above. The answer is C. D. Question number 17. The blood groups will have their respective antibodies in the options are A. Plasma, B. Thrombocytes, C. RBC, D. WBC. The answer is A. Plasma. Question number 18. Which leukocytes of the following resist infections and are also associated with allergic reactions? The options are A. Lymphocytes, B. Monocytes, C. Eosinophils, D. Basophils. The answer is C. Eosinophils. Question number 19. Plasma thromboplastin component is known as. The options are A. Labile factor, B. Hegman factor, C. Christmas factor, D. Stewart factor. The answer is C. Christmas factor. Question number 20. If the thrombus floats in the blood, it is called. The options are A. Hematoma, B. Aneurysm, C. Thrombus, D. Embolus. The answer is D. Embolus. Question number 21. Which of the following lymphoid organ is not a part of digestive system? The options are A. Tonsils, B. Appendix, C. Spleen, D. Peyer's patches. The answer is C. Spleen. Question number 22. Which of these has a closed type of circulatory system? The options are A. Labio, B. Palameus, C. Periplaneta, D. Aplasia. The answer is A. Labio. Question number 23. Atrioventricular node is present in. The options are A. Interatrial septum, B. Bundle of His, C. Coronary sulcus, D. Interventricular septum. The answer is A. Interatrial septum. Question number 24. Chordae tendineae are made of. The options are A. Elastic fibers, B. Muscle fibers, C. Collagen fibers, D. Nerve fibers. The answer is C. Collagen fibers. Question number 25. Muscular ridges present inside each ventricle are. The options are A. Caudine tendineae, B. Trabeculae carneae, C. Pectilate muscles, D. Papillary muscles. The answer is B. Trabeculae carneae. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.